In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a currency from WooCommerce Currency Switcher. If you're running a WooCommerce store with multiple currencies, there might come a time when you no longer want to offer one of those currencies. Maybe your customers don't use it anymore, or perhaps managing exchange rates has become more complicated than it needs to be. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through removing a currency from your WooCommerce Currency Switcher directly from your WordPress dashboard. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the backend area where you manage your website, products, and settings. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This vertical menu is where all your main tools and plugins live. In that menu, find the WooCommerce option. You don't need to click it right away. Instead, hover your mouse over the WooCommerce label. When you hover, a submenu will slide out or drop down with several options related to your store. From those options, click on Settings. This is where most of your store-wide preferences and configurations are controlled. After clicking Settings, you'll be taken to the main WooCommerce settings page. Near the top, you'll see several tabs lined up horizontally. Depending on your setup, these might include things like General, Products, Shipping, Payments, and so on. Among these tabs, look for the one labeled Multi-Currency. This tab is added by your Currency Switcher feature or plugin. Go ahead and click on Multi-Currency to open its settings. Inside the Multi-Currency area, you'll see a section that lists your enabled currencies. This is a key section because it shows all the currencies that are currently active and available to your customers in the Currency Switcher on your site. Each currency in this enabled list will usually be displayed as a row, and on the right-hand side of each row, you'll see a small trash icon. This icon represents the option to delete or remove that particular currency. Carefully find the currency you want to remove. Once you are sure you've picked the correct one, click the trash icon on that row. As soon as you click the trash icon, that currency will be removed from your list of enabled currencies. After that, customers will no longer see it in the Currency Switcher on the front end of your store. If your settings page has a save button at the bottom, make sure to click save to confirm the change. And that's all you need to do to remove a currency from your WooCommerce Currency Switcher.